Then our porter said he thought that it must be it on the high-level platform. Said he thought he knew the train, so we went to the high-level platform and saw the engine driver and asked him if he was going to Kingston. He said he couldn't say for certain, of course, but that he rather thought he was. Anyhow, if he was not the 11:05 for Kingston, he said he was pretty confident he was the 9:32 for Virginia Water, or the 10 a.m. express for the Isle of Wight, or somewhere in that direction, and we should all know. When we got there, we slipped half a crown into his hand and begged him to be the 11:05 for Kingston. Nobody will ever know on this line, we said, what you are or where you are going. You know the way. You slip off quietly. You know the way. You slip off quietly and go to Kingston. Well, I don't know, gents, replied the noble fellow, but I suppose some trains got to go to Kingston, and I'll do it. Give me the half-crown. Thus we got to Kingston by the London and South Western Railway. We learnt afterwards that the train we had come by was really the Exeter Mail, and that they had spent hours at Waterloo looking for it, and nobody knew what had become of it. Our boat was waiting for us at Kingston, just below the bridge, and to it we wended our way, and around it we stowed our luggage, and into it we stepped. "Are you all right, sir?" said the man. "Right it is," we answered, and with Harris at the sculls, and I at the tiller lines, and Montmorency unhappy and deeply suspicious in the prow, out we shoot onto the waters which for a fortnight were to be our home. Chapter number 6. It was a glorious morning, late spring or early summer, as you care to take it, when the dainty sheen of grass and leaf is blushing to a deeper green, and the year seems like a fair young maid, trembling with strange awakening pulses, on the brink of womanhood. The quaint back streets of Kingston, where they came down to the water's edge, looked quite picturesque in the flashing sunlight. The glinting river with its drifting barges, the wooded two-path, the trim-kept villas on the other side. Harris, in a red and orange blazer, grunting away at the sculls, the distant glimpses of the grey old palace of the Tudors, all made a sunny picture, so bright but calm, so full of life, and yet so peaceful. that early in the day thought it was, I felt myself being dreamily lulled off into a musing fit.